All right, guys. So this is what we got today. We got seat belts. I'm gonna do that today. Getting tired of you know, these blue seat belts. I'm gonna try my best to get it out and get it done today. I got a little time on my hands, so I'm going ahead and do that. And then another thing, guys, that I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and tint these fog lights because I'm just gonna smoke them out a little bit because it's kind of like bright or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke them just a little bit. That way they can match with that one and the headlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke them out, and I might go ahead and smoke these out as well because I don't want that. And then so after all of that, guys, I'm working on this one right now. Already sanding it down. I gotta sand the other side down a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and get ready for paint. And that way, man, this deal it won't be peeling no more. I put plastic dip on here, and it didn't last that long. So now we're gonna go ahead and go with some real gloss paint for that. And yeah, guys, we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up on a tripod. That way y'all can check me out as I go. And yeah, just like that, I'll get with y'all in a little bit. Alright, guys, so I wanted to show y'all that anybody can do this. All I'm using, guys, is just sanding paper, and I'm trying to get this plastic dip off. It's kind of like stuck on there, so just trying to get that off, and it's coming out pretty good. In a way, it was a good deal to do because I had to sand this down anyways to get that clear coat off. So in order for me to get the plastic dip off the whole car, man, I don't know. That's gonna be a scary situation right there. And I put a lot of layers on it, so it should come off pretty good on the car itself. I think on the pillars I just use the spray can, which that's not a good thing to use if you're trying to paint a car. So especially with the plastic dip, it's always good to use the plastic dip from plasticdip.com. They got everything you need. Everything you need, man. And probably even more. You never know. Miss Sarah can probably help you guys out. I don't know who Sarah is, but she probably can help you guys out. You know, depending on what y'all looking for. You looking for some trim? She might give you some trim. You never know. You never know, guys. So yeah, I'm just pretty much getting this paint off, and hopefully I won't mess all that up. So I'm gonna have to tape all this up and then tape all that up on top, and yeah, we're gonna get it done, man. So let me go ahead and put this camera down, man, and I'm gonna start taping everything up, and then I'm gonna show y'all when I start spraying, and I'll go ahead and show y'all when I lay the paint down. All right, guys, so I got everything taped up how I want it, and now I'm finna go ahead and lay down that first set of coat, and I got everything sanded down pretty good. Everything is clean. Let me walk over here to this side. So I got the tape on, got all that down. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shake that paint up and go ahead and go with the first coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all down real quick. All right, guys, so I went on ahead and laid down the first coat, and yeah, man, we're just gonna keep going and see how it turns out, man. But there's the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out, man, and I'll get back with y'all whenever I get done. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I got, man. So I got a gloss black finish, man. It looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. Now I just gotta wait for it to dry and peel off the tape, and that'll be good to go, man. Now let's get to the next build. Next build gonna be that right there. So if I find some more tape, I ran out of paint tape. I was gonna go ahead and tint those up. I might have some tape in the house, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start the process on these seat belts. Let me let y'all look at this side real quick. Whole lot better, man. No plastic dip, none of that stuff peeling off no more, man. So look pretty good. And then whenever we get this car wrapped, guys, they can still be able to wrap over that. You know, it's just paint. So yeah, let me go ahead and move on to that project, and then I'll holler back at y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so I got one in now, and it wasn't an easy job. I gotta put the damn clothes hanger hook back on there, and after that, man, that's it. The only thing I don't like, man, these eBay seat belts, man, you have to, I mean, the way they are, they go in on the opposite direction, and so it's gonna be a little twist right here, but which is fine. It still works. It's not a big deal. And now, guys, let me go ahead and move on to the next side. And yeah, we got red seat belts. Alright, guys, so I finally finished the seat belts, man. Finally finished them up, man. They wasn't easy to put in, man, but finally got them done. I drilled a new hole down there and put a new bolt down in there, man. You know, so I mean, it works pretty good, you know. But yeah, that's it, guys. I got the other one done. Now we got red seat belts, and man, she good to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the tints on that, and then after that, man, that's gonna be a wrap for the video, man. So I appreciate you guys for stopping in, man. I don't know what my daughter doing down here. She's playing in the dirt. Baby, what are you doing? What you doing? Look at you, all dirty. It's all good, guys, man. You gotta let your kids get dirty sometimes, man. It ain't no bad thing. You know, you gotta let them get dirty. But you're about to fly off of that thing. So yeah, guys, that's her Bentley, by the way, right there. So yeah, guys, if you just stopping in for the first time, man, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the King's Life channel. That way you can see what I'm doing with these builds, man. I'm not done yet. So yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and King's Life channel. See y'all in the next video. Peace.